Try to get it out of there.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
That is not red.
Look. There's one muffin.
Ooh. I don't know how to touch. How do you touch this? Pop. Leave a bed. Ooh. Bed. Every bed.
Oh, you did. Nice job.
Touch it. Touch. And touch.
Look at me. Look what I'm making.
Touch.
Look.
That bed.
I'm making muffins.
Touch.
Look. Look at that, John. Look. Look.
Ooh, I made it bad food.
What am I gonna make next?
Meat top, big top, meat top, pizza.
Nope. I'll show you.
Okay. Too big. Try pretty bigger.
Okay.
Oh. That's yours.
Look at that one. Look, I made that one.
Dig the teddy.
Oh, yeah, sure does. She's gonna wear that one tomorrow. You're rich.
Yep. I love your body. Yep, tomorrow. Mommy, I'm Jade's not petting me.
Who? Jade?
Yep.
She'll come back. Is Dad playing with you? I'm making you
Jade
look.
eats a teddy. Look.
Jade, you're not playing with... Dad is playing with you though.
Yeah, I know.
So thank you, Dad. Say thank you, Daddy.
Take it out.
Okay. Here I go. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Look.
Ooh.
Oh, you got that stuff for Rose, okay.
What's that stuff?
And I have
What
your,
is this for?
And I have your note for tomorrow for your invoicing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, this is more beads.
What is that though?
More beads. Want me to lose it? I think I might lose it.
Mine. Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it here. I'll lose it. Yeah, that one's mine. Oh, you put my muffins on there? Okay. Look at this guy.
Nice. How do you do that?
You like that? Pretty cool, huh? You can chop it.
Talk.
Chop.
No, wait. I'm going to...
Look, watch this one.
Okay.
See that?